In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Netflix gift card. Whether you're gifting a month of movies to someone special or topping up your own account without linking a card long-term, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can check out with confidence. First, open the gift card page inside Netflix. Sign in on the app or in a web browser, then head to Manage Profiles. On many devices, you'll find this by selecting your profile icon and looking for settings or profile options. Scroll down the page until you see gift cards and tap it. If you don't see the gift card section right away, try switching to a desktop browser or updating the app, since the layout can vary by device and region. Next, choose the gift card option and select Buy Online. This takes you to Netflix's official purchase page. The interface might look slightly different depending on where you live, but the idea is the same. You're about to pick a digital gift card that can be used toward a Netflix membership. For peace of mind, make sure the page shows Netflix branding and uses a secure connection before continuing. Now, select the amount. Common options include $15, $25, $50, or $100, though the exact values and currency can differ by country. Choose a value that matches your budget or the amount of time you want to cover. Remember, whatever you pick will be applied as a credit to the account that redeems the code. Add your selection to the cart by clicking Buy or Add to Cart. Take a moment to review the quantity and the amount before proceeding. If you're buying more than one gift, confirm that each card has the correct value. Enter your payment method to complete checkout. You can pay with a credit card, a debit card, or another supported online payment option in your region. Ensure your billing information is accurate, keep your connection secure, and be aware that taxes or fees may apply depending on your location. If the payment doesn't go through, double-check your card details or try an alternative method. After payment, you'll receive the digital gift card code by email. Delivery is usually quick, but it can take a few minutes. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder. Save the email somewhere safe and don't share the code publicly, since anyone with it can redeem the balance. Note that Netflix gift cards aren't available in every country, so you may not see the Buy Online option in some regions. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to gift or redeem.